From the rules of double entry accounting, we know that when assets increase, we debit the asset account, and when they decrease, we credit. Cash is an asset. Increases in assets are debited, whereas decreases in assets are credited. But why is it that the bank does the reverse? When I deposit money in my bank account, they instead credit my account, and when I'm withdrawing, they debit. Well, in this session, I get to explain why. Classification of items for accounting depends on the kind of business you're running. If you are the businessman running a merchandise shop, cash is an asset. So when you get this cash from sales, you'll debit the cash account and credit the cash account when you're paying out cash. However, if you look at it from the perspective of the bank, when the bank receives money from depositors, the money the bank is receiving is actually not its money. The money belongs to the clients of the bank. The bank is only acting as a custodian of this money or as a safe place to keep the money on behalf of the clients. This means that at any time, upon request of the client, the bank is obligated to pay back this money. This makes the clients to the bank a sort of liability to the bank. Since the bank is liable to pay the clients whenever the client wants to withdraw the money, so in the books of the bank, the client of the bank is treated as a liability, and so whenever a client makes a cash deposit, the client's account is credited, since increases in liability are credited. And whenever money is being deducted from the client's account, it would mean a liability is reducing, therefore leading to debiting of the client's account. This background knowledge is important to take note of as you do the bank reconciliation statement. When a bank customer debits the cash book, the bank will credit its bank account. And when the client credits his cash book in the bank, this will be represented as a debit entry. We shall be able to see this further in the upcoming worked examples in the session coming up in this series. Like this video if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not yet subscribed. Check out other accounting lectures on the channel. My name is Arnold Ranga Kuramia, and this is Kisembo Academy. Take care.